Hello, I'm Rudy from Benifero Plug and Play Products. We have developed a WIFIPOOL twin pool treatment. What is a WIFIPOOL twin? It is an automatic dosing device that adds acid and chlorine to the pool in order to maintain pH and chlorine levels. The whole device, the whole WIFIPOOL twin, is controlled by a smartphone. How is it structured? We have two measuring modules. A measuring module for pH and chlorine, which also allows us to measure both flow and level. That level measurement is often used to measure acid and chlorine levels in the dosing container. There are two peristaltic pumps we re-engineered to Wi-Fi connectable. The moment the pH is too high or the chlorine concentration too low, these pH or chlorine pumps automatically start pumping. Without flow, the unit is inoperable, dosing stops for safety reasons, other connected devices continue automatically. The whole setup is pre-programmed in the WIFIPOOL software, in which the pool twin device is installed at once and all the parameters, such as the pH setting, the chlorine setting, are also pre-configured in the app. These can be adjusted, but the factory settings will already treat your pool in most optimal dosing ranges. In the WIFIPOOL twin, we also use a specially pre-manufactured dosing and measuring tube, to which we made all device connections up front, together with two rubber sleeves, to which the existing circulation can be connected. This way, we brought plug and play as far as accessible to all. Convince yourself a twin. We are here to assist.